Good day all, especially to Sir Leo Arcayos. Me and Mark Florence Abusio are here to report or to discuss about the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship.
Watertight integrity on a ship refers to the ability of its hull and compartments to prevent the ingress of water even in the face of damage or external pressure. Maintaining this integrity is crucial for the ship's seaworthiness, preventing sinking, protecting cargo and personnel, and avoiding pollution. Second is watertight integrity refers to the design, construction, and maintenance of a ship's compartments, bulkheads, doors, and hatches in such a way that waters cannot pass from one area to another. It ensures that in the event of hull damage or flooding, water is contained and does not spread throughout the vessel. So, kailangan natin i-maintain ang mga hatches, which is sa kanang for example hatches, makita ng hatches na sa mga bulk carrier or mga bulkheads, kailangan ito na i-maintain para di masunog tubig.
As you can see, as the next page, you can see the example, or we have put the pictures right there. The watertight compartments, as you can see there, watertight compartments, and watertight bulkheads. And there's so many na kanang mga compartment niya nga sudlan sa tubig. Dira kay kaingon ta na mga cargo ra tong ikarga na sa mga sudlanan sa mga bisag unsa, like mga tubig, like sa pananagamit na masud diha sa tagsa-tagsang komportamento. Makita ra nyo diha sa example na mo ginagibutang diha sa picture, and unta masabtan sa ninyo.
So, importance of watertight integrity. So, first is preventing sinking. So, a ship's watertight compartments limit the spread of water if a breach occurs, preventing progressive flooding that could cause the ships to capsize or sink. So, muna may tabo na dyan ng kanang makapsize or masink kung dili ma-maintenance ang isa ka barko. So, second is protecting crew and cargo. So, by limiting flooding, watertight integrity helps protect the crew and cargo from the dangers of water ingress, including cold temperatures, drowning risks, and damage to equipment and goods. So, next is preventing pollution. So, if a ship were to flood and sink, the cargo it carries could release harmful pollution into the environment, causing significant ecological damage. So, mara to datang environment ana. So, kaning preventing pollution na sa Marpol. So, i-prevent ang mga pollution. Labi na ang tanker o barko mo tanker. So, makagaba sa ecological ma-damage. So,
This is the continuation of what Mark Florence said earlier. Maintaining stability. Watertight integrity ensures that the ship remains stable at a float, even if it encounters damage or serve weather conditions. Mauna ang maintaining stability. Bisag unsa pa na ang mag-encounter na siya damage or mga serve weather condition nga dili kalinaw ang panahon. Next is facilitating damage control. If a ship experiences damage, watertight compartments allow damage control terms to effectively contain the flooding and the pump out the water while the ship makes it back to port. Kani facilitating damage control. Kung ang ship mag experience nag-damage, the watertight compartments mag-allow siya nga mag-control sa damage terms to effectively contain kanang magbaha and mo-pump out sa water kanang magbalik-balik ra. The ship makes back to the port kanang nana sa pier. So next, reducing financial losses. Sinking or significant flooding can result in substantial financial losses for the ship's owner, including costs related to repairs, loss of cargo, and potential legal liabilities. Kaning reducing yung financial losses, kanang makagasto jud kaani kay na may guba imong barko na kuan jud ni kanang nay budgeton jud ninyo para sa inyong barko.
So next is maintaining watertight integrity, proper design and construction. Ships are designed with watertight bulkheads and closure that prevent water from flowing between compartments. So dapat i-insert dyan nga way buslot ang barko, labi na sa compartments niya sa hull. So next is regular inspection and maintenance. Opening such as doors and hatches must be regularly inspected and maintained to ensure they remain watertight. So every weekly siguro mag-maintenance or mag-inspect sila sa hatches para maiwasan pag sud sa tubig, para di ma-damage labi na og bulk carrier, para di ma-damage ang cargo. So crew training. Crew members should be trained on the operation and maintenance of watertight closures and how to respond to flooding situation. So bago mo sampa na tay training kwaon para ug na gani may tabo na panic kay bawo na sa buhaton. So sunod is damage control procedures. Ships shall have damage control procedures in place that address how to respond to flooding, including closing watertight closures and activity pumps. So ay damage control adto para kabaw kang si procedure ug asa ka padong ato sa ang itawag og for example kanang ang barko malunod na itawag master station para magtapok mo atong tanan. So next,
this is the example of watertight features. First is the watertight bulkheads, vertical walls that divided into the ship compartments, preventing water from spreading between them. Ang pasabot ani kaning watertight bulkheads, kanang ang ship naman dyan ay divide na compartments to preventing from spreading between them. Kanang magbaling-baling spikas kanang divided man na siya na kwarto-kwarto para sa mga tubig nga di magsigig kalat. Kaduha, the watertight doors and hatches. Specialized doors and hatches that can be closed tightly to prevent water ingress. Kaning watertight doors or hatches, muni siya kanang mga purtahan bitaw nga na gani ang porma ana diyan ay ang abrihanan niya kay kanang tuyokon ra nimo. Ugot kayo na siya para di makasud ang tubig nga gikan sa dagat. Muna ang watertight doors and hatches. Next is the watertight closures. Other devices such as pipes and vents that can be sealed to prevent water leakage. Kani opposite ay maura na siya pero di ni siya purtahan kanang murani kanang pang-lock. Kabantay mo ng gripo na ingana siya pang-lock na siya para mahugot to prevent water leakage. And lastly, by prioritizing and maintaining watertight integrity, ship owners and operators can significantly reduce the risk associated with the sailing and ensure the safety and the crew, cargo, and surrounding environment. Sa among pag-report karon sa watertight integrity, unta na mo'y masabtan and ug na magani may mga kuwang-kuwang gipang explain ani, you can search ito to Google. Unta tanan natay mahibaw-an aning watertight integrity. And that's all. Have a good day all.